This is what we need in our society, right?
Film journalist. Now he himself is opened his own channel called Bollywood Wala by Sunup Sahadevan.
This is Chashma.
Yeah,
Chashma
yes,
banda.
he is my
Oh,
son.
he-
Attain freedom through education
Yes.
and gain strength through organization.
Right.
Whatever be the religion, quality of a person is the must.
I represented Maharashtra in national level in mixed martial arts, right? सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद भी अभी ये कर रहा हूँ. YouTube चैनल है. So don't.
Your personality for
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a fitness like cardio running करता हूँ. तो आपने सहदेवन जी के बारे में कभी बात नहीं किया है, सोनूप जी, लेकिन आपका रिव्यूज मैंने देखा है.
no one has a control on events of his own life.
100%.
Hey, events will not occur as you think.
गाइस मैंने कैमरा बंद कर दिया था, ट्राइपॉड बैग के अंदर रख दिया था. आज के बाद मैं नहीं रखूंगा कभी भी, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंशियल या एक्सपीरियंस बंदा मिल सकता है, अपने को सीखने मिलेगा इनसे. गाइस सो आई जस्ट मेट मिस्टर
Yeah. Senior Advocate of Bombay High Court, Mr. Krishnan Sahadevan,
कृष्णन सहदेव.
and Notary Government of India,
ओके.
and Thana Jilla Congress Committee. Thana.
You can come.
Come.
Yes, when I was जब मैं उतर रहा था स्टार से, तो मैंने इनका स्माइल देखा और बोला कि लाइक स्माइल की बहुत कमी है. ही इज अ वेरी बिग स्माइल सर. लाइक दिस इज द स्माइल व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Yeah, yes, I will. See, in 1978,
ओके.
I reached here in the home of Maratha Ma, Maharashtra state.
राइट.
And immediately I was with Barrister Rajani Patel,
बैरिस्टर रजनी पटेल,
Kappare, Bombay.
टॉप परेड बॉम्बे.
And he was the Bombay Pradesh Congress Committee Adjunct
ओके.
and barrister, and left and right of Indira Priyadarshini. And I worked with him for 6 months.
6 months.
Then thereafter I worked as a proofreader in the Times of India for 2 months.
वेरी गुड.
Then thereafter I went to with the greatest of the film personality of Mumbai, Firoz Khan.
फिरोज खान नाउ इज नो मोर.
No more.
He was a genuine, like
Yeah,
my dad used to say,
genuine. Firoz
दिलदार
Khan.
इंसान था.
Yeah,
बहुत दिलदार
Firoz
इंसान.
Khan. I have become the assistant manager to him.
उनके साथ.
Yeah. From there I started my LLB
Okay.
in KC Law College at Churchgate. In 1982, I passed my LLB here from Bombay University. Then thereafter that माननीय फिरोज खान साहब मेरे को आशीर्वाद दिया. 2 लाख.
Like how did you meet, like how did you encounter, like met him, or what was the purpose of meeting him? Like, to become you are interested in film line or something like that?
No. My son is in the film line, and he was a film journalist.
That's why. That's the reason.
Yeah, film journalist. Now he himself is opened his own channel called Bollywood Wala by Sunup Sahadevan.
This is Chashma.
Yeah,
Chashma
yes,
का बंदा.
he is my son.
He is your son. अरे सर, he is very famous. वो क्या करते हैं, 3 है, एक वाइस मैन करके बोलते हैं.
Yeah,
3 wise man.
yes.
उसमें से एक ओल्ड एज अंकल है,
Yeah.
जो हर फ्राइडे को मूवी देखने आते हैं. कोविड-19 में उनका
Yeah, yes.
3 वाइस मैन का क्या हो गया मेरे को पता नहीं. कोविड-19
Yeah.
सांस लेने नहीं होता.
Yeah.
They used to go every Friday.
Hi,
guys, हम
Ram.
लोग every Friday हम लोग जाते थे मूवी देखने.
Yeah, because
He is your son, Anup.
yeah, Sunup Sahadevan.
Sonup
He is my son.
तो बॉलीवुड वाला गाइस वो बहुत ही फेमस है.
Yeah.
फेमस इन द सेंस उनका है, कम्युनिकेशन का गेम है अच्छा खासा. वो रिव्यू
What
करते
is
हैं.
his job? This when the new picture releases,
वो रिव्यू करते हैं.
the directors will call him.
Right.
Mr. Sunup, give us the review.
वो अब भी सर, उससे पहले उन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया है बहुत ज्यादा.
Yeah,
उससे पहले
yeah.
वो खुद अकेले रिव्यू करते थे. उनका काम देख के अभी बुलाते.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Right.
So now he is with me, and now these things are happened. Then I have become the lawyer in 1983, and since then I am the lawyer.
अच्छा.
And I am notary government of India, and I was the former vice president of the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court Esplanade, Mumbai. And now I am here, and I have become the Thana Jilla Congress Committee president.
Right.
and I have established one of the topmost social reformer and son of 19th century, produced by Kerala. His name is Sri Narayana Guru. He declared one caste, one religion, one God for man. Attained
One caste, one religion,
one caste, one religion,
and one God.
one God for man.
Everybody.
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 And attain freedom through education.
So, what is your view on like people emphasizing on this religion wala thing? What is your view? Like, this is mine, this is yours.
Yeah, but religion is only a media of love. Religion is not a religion like a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh. No.
No,
Humanity.
it's the biggest religion.
Humanity is the love is the biggest religion, and poverty is the most important thing in the universe.
So guys, we should work on poverty and क्यों मतलब poverty क्यों instead of ये सब चीज़ों में religion में ये सब चीज़ों में
नहीं जाना.
उसमें से अच्छा we will work on poverty. बच्चों को कैसे आगे लेके आ सकते हैं?
Yeah.
आगे के जो जनरेशन
Yeah, that is why he said, attain freedom through education
yes,
and gain strength through organization.
right.
Whatever be the religion, quality of a person is the must. Don't ask him from where he comes. बराबर?
100%.
अभी हेगड़े, you are a photographer and this thing. If you are qualified,
Freelancer.
if you are qualified, they accept you.
Yeah.
They don't ask what is your family, who is your father. No.
Yeah.
If you are qualified, accept him.
Nobody cares.
Yeah, yes. These are
Nobody
the
cares.
things he is. And during the time of him, 1922, Vishwa Kavi, Nobel Prize winner Ravindranath Tagore visited him and took blessings from him. Then after seeing him, he said, I have had the opportunity to travel the length and breadth of the globe, but I have not seen such a radiant face of Sri Narayana. Then 1925, Mahatma Gandhi visited him and took blessings from him. That Mahatma Gandhi had a feeling in his mind whether this casteism is there or not. That was a poison. Then one North Indian sannyasi advised him, you just go to the southern part of India in Kerala. There is one son and social reformer called Sri Narayana Guru. You meet him. Then he informed the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee president at that time through telegram. Then he called him. Then he visited. At that time, because these Guru people, they are having the premonition. Hegde, now Hegde, why come before me? I know why you are come before me. That is called the premonition. Then आसंग्रहण करने के लिए बोल दिया तो दिखाया सामने एक आम का झाड़ है तो उधर से एक बंच निकाल के लेके आओ बोला तो आफ्टर वॉशिंग करके गांधी जी का हाथ में दिया तो फिर गांधी जी को क्या मालूम गांधी जी को फिर गुरु ने बोला प्लीज गिव अटेंशन ऑन द लीव्स द शेप ऑफ द लीव्स वन इज लॉन्ग वन इज शॉर्ट वन इज श्रिंक then pluck out the 3-4 types of leaves again wash kiya then told him chew the leaves and taste the juice
Chew the leaves and taste the juice.
chew the leaves and taste the juice have you got the difference in the juice no साष्टांग नमस्कारम करके उन्होंने वैक्यम सत्याग्रह में 1925 में बोला the rays of the sun are many through refraction. The rays of the sun are many through refraction, but they have the same source. You got it?
Yeah.
एक सूर्य रश्मि एक प्रिज्म का जरिए एड्ज से पास कर दिया तो नेक्स्ट एड्ज में वो सूर्य रश्मि 7 कलर का विब्जियोर रेनबो होता है ना इंद्रधनुष फिर वो इंद्रधनुष को यही प्रिज्म का जरिए से पास कर दिया तो यू विल गेट द सेम रे.
गाइस बहुत ही भारी बात बोला है फिर से देखना पीछे जाके अगर नहीं समझा तो बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ बोला है गाइस ये रिफ्रैक्शन प्रिज्म वगैरह ये साइंस का डीप में इन्होंने बोला है राइट
तो इसीलिए देन दैट गांधी जी रिक्वेस्टेड द ट्रैवनकोर राजा Chitra Tirunal Maharaja, I request you open the temples for all the people irrespective of the caste. Caste is a poison and remove it.
कास्ट इज द बिगेस्ट
Biggest,
poison.
biggest.
Poison. इससे झगड़े होते हैं गाइस.
Yeah.
All the hatred. This is what we need in our society, right? What's your good name, sir?
Sai Kumar Patrudu.
Sai Kumar Patru. Where are you from, sir?
I am from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. Can you see his cap? Nothing is stopping me.
I am also practicing lawyer.
Acha, you are practicing.
I have done my
Yeah,
doctorate
you
in
both
law.
are.
Acha.
I have done PhD in law
Okay.
from Pune University. And I am also ex-president of the
War Association,
War Association.
Esplanade Court, Mumbai.
So now you are like
Now
We
you can
can
ask
you are
him.
settled here only.
We
in
both are
Mumbai.
friends.
Yeah.
I am here at Hegde Chavta building, Vishram Griha.
Acha.
Whenever you do some notary
So,
work,
like notary also.
you
and,
take my number.
Yeah. So we can also do like I do a podcast. There are many people who have experiences, right? So 1 hour, 1.5 hour, I do a podcast. Whenever you are free, you can just tell me. We will talk about your experiences of life.
Yeah. Then
Right?
you.
I cannot capture in a few minutes. I
Yeah,
can
no.
very-
You inform me.
Yeah.
Then
According to your like time limit.
My only
format.
suggestion to all
Yeah,
younger
yeah.
generations, every my experience is you become what you think.
You become what you think.
Then another thing, as far religion is concerned, you three people are here. You see entire body. There is no identification given by God.
Anything. No one can judge us on the basis of like he is a Muslim or he is a Hindu.
Nothing,
Nobody
nothing,
can.
nothing.
If I
It's a
don't
belief.
tell, then how
Yeah.
can anybody like?
And another thing, religion is a belief system.
Yeah.
Okay? And originally Sanatan Dharma, nothing was there. Like in Rigveda, there is no Murti Puja. In Rigveda concept, I have done all Vedas. That is in my PhD. Because I have done my subject was natural law. Natural law compared to study with
जस्ट
man.
थोड़ा सा
It is
टोक रहा हूँ
better
आपको थोड़ा सा
question
टोक
and
रहा हूँ
answer.
थोड़ा सा टोक रहा हूँ गाइस आप लोग इनका लाइव देखो 50 चीज किया है इन्होंने तब जाके दे हैव अटेन दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस दे आर एबल टू टॉक
Plus 70.
दे आर एबल टू कम्युनिकेट सो माई गोल इज मेरा गोल ये है कि डोंट सेटल विथ समथिंग कि मैं यही कर सकता हूँ बाउंड्री मत बनाओ अगर मैं टीचिंग कर रहा हूँ तो मैं टीचिंग ही कर सकता हूँ आई एम एन इंजीनियर आई हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड महाराष्ट्र इन नेशनल लेवल इन मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स राइट सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ उसके बाद भी अभी ये कर रहा हूँ यूट्यूब चैनल है सो डोंट
Your personality is
Yeah.
दिस इज अ फिटनेस लाइक
वो
कार्डियो
martial art का।
रनिंग करता हूँ
martial art का.
Yeah, you are saying something. Sorry. So I was only saying that
No,
two
it's
10
a
different things.
question and answering.
10 different things. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not-
I will do it.
I don't-
घूमने के लिए आएगा? Like,
No. I came to pray my. Today I am doing
He
Navagraha
wants
Puja
to.
here.
He came here to
Navagraha
see.
Puja.
He see Lord Ayyappa.
Lord of that, and they darshan and perform Navagraha Puja today.
So Hegde, this you transfer to my son's YouTube
100%,
also.
100%.
Yeah.
No, I will upload
And
in my
take a-
channel.
take
What I
my-
will do is I will. जाने से पहले मैं इनका नंबर ले लूंगा.
Yeah, number.
I will take his mobile number, guys, before giving. But I will upload this thing and I will tag Bollywood वाला ताकि his son also will
Yeah.
know about the like story. And
Yeah.
एक भी वीडियो में मैंने इनको नहीं देखा उनके son के. I have watched almost
this
I
is a
think
gift to him.
50 to 60 videos and Mr. Anup Soni.
Sonup,
मैं आपका
Sonup Sahadevan, Sonup.
Anup.
Yeah.
His name is first name is Anup, right?
No, Sonup. SONUP.
Sonup and
Sahadevan.
सोनूप सहदेवन आपने कभी अपना सहदेवन करके बोला नहीं है सहदेवन इज दैट्स नेम
Yeah, my name.
या
His name is
तो
Sonup.
आपने सहदेवन जी के बारे में कभी बात नहीं किया है सोनूप जी लेकिन आपका रिव्यूज मैंने देखा है राइट बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आपका जो एनर्जीज फेंक के मारते हो आप लोग आप कैमरा से तो लुक्स डजंट मैटर कलर डजंट मैटर द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स इज एनर्जीज राइट दैट वी थ्रो that we transfer into others that is the only thing that matters so you do that you throw all your positive energies to your viewers Sonup and your dad is a phenomenal guy man and I will do a podcast with him according to his
Yes. Rule is rule of life is no one has a control on events of his own life.
100%.
Events will not occur as you think. So the the best solution is accept the situation.
Yeah, acceptance is the
Yes,
biggest key
accept.
to happiness. Yeah,
And go ahead.
go ahead.
Don't go. That's
And one more thing, I want to know that do you agree on this or not? That कहीं पे मैंने पढ़ा था, I have read this and कहीं पे लिखा है कि what we do, what I am doing right now and I am talking. This was I didn't expect it that I will like
yes. you
on
get
this camera and I will get this phenomenal positive moment, right? So what I think is whatever I do in life, like 24 hours or rest of my life in my past, whatever I do is it's not me, it's him, right? It's him.
Yeah.
Whatever is happening, whatever is doing, all the experience, it's him. It's
No,
only
only a little disagreement.
yeah.
See, like is a human, man is a miniature of nature.
Right.
Nature has 5 elements.
Okay.
So each human being is having 5 elements of nature. All living beings except human being have only 4 elements. The 5th element is ether. That is Akash Tattva. So that is thought process. So man has a choice. But that choice should not be misused in life.
Yes.
This is the difference. Otherwise, it is not that. It is very easy to blame somebody who. See, Nasib khud nahi aata hai. I am quoting Vaman Rao Pai, who was an employee of Sachwalaya, but he became a guru. Vaman Rao Pai. You are the architect of your own.
You are the creator of your own life.
Yes,
100%.
architect of your own.
Architect of your own life.
तुम्ही जीवनाचा शिल्पकार आहो. This is the message. There are certain books. So, like all gurus are teaching only one thing. The righteous conduct is dharma means either not law. Dharma is righteous conduct.
I'm just reading about Swadharma,
Yes.
passion.
What is Swadharma is, Swadharma should be equal to. Now I'll tell you, natural law has said, there is a moral, eternal law. Because sun, everything moving in a law. They are owned.
Yeah.
Owned by their own law. Eternal law. Under eternal law, there is a moral law. Under moral law, there is ethics. Under ethics, these all man-made laws have come. Okay? Yes. Like, चोरी नहीं करना चाहिए तो इसको कोई शास्त्र ग्रंथ रिलीजन पढ़ने का नहीं. अच्छा, all religions teach same thing. Like after in Hindu religion, you are in Hindu temple. After puja, what you are telling? It is sarve jana sukhino bhavantu loka samasta kalyanamastu. So you are telling that, you are not telling only myself jana, only Swardhi, mera kalyanamastu nahi, sarve jana, peace to all. So in Christianity, after ceremony, what you are telling, you are looking this side, peace to all. In Masjid, again same thing. In Masjid also. After namaz, you look this side, you bow down to everybody.
There is a
So,
similarity in every
absolute
religion. There is some kind of
same.
similarity. Even I have
In
noticed that.
one sentence, Mr. Egde, all religions teach same principles. Like यहाँ पर धर्म है, वेदास है, तो क्रिश्चियनिटी में 10 कमांडमेंट्स है एंड कुरान में तो सब कुछ है. 5 बार नमाज पढ़ने से ऑल रिलीजियंस प्रमोट पीस, नॉन वायलेंस, स्पीकिंग ट्रूथ, देन conduct behavior, controlling one's behavior, and then loving all. Like in Krishna, it says, love thy neighbor, love yourself neighbor, love thy neighbor. So it is a community living. In society, you can live peace once your thought process is trained. So at this age, we have experienced life, so we can say that what is good and what. Everybody knows what is good and bad.
Everybody knows what is good and what is bad.
That's all.
Just to follow the good,
Yeah.
it is very difficult. People think so. It is not difficult. It is not at all difficult. It is easy.
See, it is a question of habit. See what happens. See, now I'll tell you scientifically. See, there is a thought. Okay, how a person behaves. There are 4 elements of behavior. 4 things are. One is Desh, Kal, Man, Paristhiti. Desh means the country you are living. Kal means the age, the present age, like Kali, whatever you. And then third is the Paristhiti, the situation present here. Fourth is your own mind, what your mind observes. So society is having first family influence is there, then village influence there, then town influence there, then urban city influence there, then state influence there, then country influence is there. So, to what is right, what is wrong, everybody knows. Follow the right path.
100%. Sir,
That's right.
correct me if I'm
And
wrong.
as you started nicely looking at Southerners are smiling, just smile now. See what Jagadguru,
Smile, sir.
what Sadguru is telling. Because Sadguru today is a big.
He's my guru, sir.
Yes.
He's my guru.
See, he is one of the best today
He's my
because
guru.
the way he can. See, either you are